Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn some new Chinese words, and before we start the learning, we can do the recap of our previous lessons. The previous lesson is about the greetings to the Chinese people when you meet with the Chinese. In any situation, like when you meet at the road, then you will you will greeting with him like 你好. Then it is 你 means you, 好 means good, 你好. This greeting words are used very frequently in China. Okay, so 你好, 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 which means how are you? Hello. So the words like that. And today, okay, let's finish our recap. Okay, today we will learn another word, 谢谢. I think this is very basic basic words when you are in China, when you get some help or some assistance by the other people, then you can say 谢谢, which means thank you. Thank you. So 谢谢, thank you. So these words will be used every day during the daily life, no matter someone help you with your to fix the difficulty you are meeting with. Yes, so 谢谢, thank you very much. Then we start simulate some situation, like you ask for the help to ask the people where is the washroom, and you want to go to the washroom, then you ask the people when you meet, then you ask where is the washroom, then the people will tell you, the passenger will tell you the washroom is over there. Then you will say thank you, 谢谢. And when you're greeting with a stranger, then you will say 你好. So the situation is like when you are in the street, then you want to go to the washroom, then you will ask the passenger, like hello, where is the washroom? Then the passenger will tell you the washroom is over there. It's a very simple sentence. So over there in Chinese means 那里, 在那里. Over there, 在那里. Over, which means 在. There, which means 那里. Over there, which means 在那里. Then when you ask where is the washroom, where is the washroom? Washroom means 洗手间. 洗手间 means washroom. Washroom means 洗手间. 洗手间 in Chinese, 洗手间. Washroom. Washroom, 洗手间. So 洗手间 washroom 在哪里? Where? So in Chinese you will say 洗手间在哪里? In English will be where is the washroom? So then you were greeting with the people. Hello, 你好. Where is the washroom? 洗手间在哪里? Then the people will tell you over there, 在那里. Over there, 在那里. So then you will say thank you, 谢谢. Thank you, 谢谢. So it's very frequently used sentence when you in the street and you want to find a washroom to fix the problem. Then this sentence is very useful. Let's repeat. Hello, where is the washroom? 你好，洗手间在哪里？ Then the people will reply to you like over there, 在那里。 The people will give you a direction. I just simply say this reply over there, 在那里。 Then you will say thank you, 谢谢 in Chinese, 谢谢 Okay, so how about today's lessons? Leave your comments and your topic and interesting. If you want to know something more, then you can leave your comments and I will get back to you soon. So, thank you very much. Please share the videos and subscribe to not missing the future update. Thank you very much.